here, fishy, 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 fishy. Today we are going deep sea fishing. We're in Puerto Aventuras. I know it's a gringo saying it. We're waiting for the charter boat. Not too sure which one it is. Some nice ones here, and there's not so nice ones here. Which one will it be? We shall find out in just a second. It's early. Sun just came up. That's where you catch the fish at, right? Best time of the day, the mornings. Not the best time to do a video though. You need to wake up a little bit before you start talking.
Hi.
There you go, now say hi.
Oh, hi.
What are we doing today?
Fishing.
How many fish are we gonna catch?
I don't know.
Neither do I. High five. Check this boat out. Here it is. There it is. It's a paddle boat. Yeah, I got lunch here. Miguel, how long you been doing this for?
Many years, amigo.
Yeah, you from here or you?
I'm from Kosovo Island.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. So you're probably born into it, huh? Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
You eat a lot of fish?
I can kill a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to troll.
Okay.
We're going to troll around 400. We start trolling around 80 feet. We have the drop off right there. It falls down mile and a half from shore. We have 1,000 feet.
Okay, wow. You got your depth finder right there?
Yeah, we have 17 right now. And we zigzag 600 feet to 80 feet.
Okay.
Back and forth, you know.
No fish yet. Been out for probably an hour. Guess it's not guaranteed. So, hey, at least you're on the water, in the ocean, on a boat. That's still fun. But definitely want to catch fishes. Fishy, fishy, fishy.